Let's bring in Oracle shareholder Malcolm Ethridge of Capital Area Planning Group. Malcolm, of course, also a CNBC contributor. Malcolm, it's great to see you. Thanks for the time this afternoon.
Good to see you, Carl.
We're talking about a name that has clearly found its legs in the last year or two, but you think they can meet these high expectations?
Yeah, I think saying they found their legs in the last year is an understatement, up over, 70%, I think, year on year. And I think expectations for this name have gotten a little bit out of hand, but maybe rightfully so, right? You alluded to the fact that there's a $30 billion deal we expect to get a little bit more clarity on from the last earnings call, and that may be enough to move these shares in a meaningful way after the print.
What do you think about this ongoing debate about software and its vulnerabilities in the new age of AI? Does Oracle fit into that would-be list of potential victims, let's say?
Yeah, I know that we traditionally think of Oracle as a software provider, and I think that it is reasonable that the software names have been taking a breather the last couple of trading weeks, at least after like a 4-month run that was very strong. A lot of them have become victims of their own success, and expectations got a little out of whack. Now investors are a little bit concerned that AI might be coming for their lunch, so to speak. And I think realistically, it's probably more than a year, 2 years before AI really starts to take over some of those roles. And it's more likely that a company like a Salesforce, maybe Workday, they start to buy some of these AI startups in the software space and rolling them out to their existing customers that they've already built up trust with. That's more likely than AI coming for a lot of these companies' main businesses when you think about the data privacy necessary in a field like healthcare, finance, places like that. So I think that the software sell-off is a little bit overdone. But separately from that, I don't think it should impact Oracle share price that much going forward, simply because they have done a pretty good job of turning themselves into a multi-cloud provider in this AI arms race.
I was just going to say, I remember, you think back, let's say 10 years, where I think you could arguably say they were seen as a sleepy tech company. But when they saw this wave coming, and they've done an amazing job of leveraging it.
Yeah, and if you think about the last earnings call where Safra Catz and Larry Ellison were downright giddy as they were discussing their earnings numbers, I think that set the expectations for investors this time that we'll probably get a similar print. And I think as long as they hit that $100.50 per share expectation that the street has, anything else is going to be positive, and the shares will likely go on a run after the numbers come out.